Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Your Repertoire. Lady Gaga, she released songs recently, and we just gotta have her in this mix up here on this channel. And this first song we're gonna start with is called Perfect Celebrity. Okay, what a great title of the song. Let's go and learn it together. So, as you can see, no need for any capo here. We have what? Have we here? 5 chords. Yes, 5 chords. Let's start with D. That's the first chord, and it goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the next chord, which is the F. Okay, that's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the first fret and you push down all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have the next chord, which is the A sharp. We're gonna keep that bar there on the first fret. You don't have to push down the last E string in the bass if you don't want to. And then you need to add third D and third G. Again, I'm lazy normally when it comes to the A sharps, and I go with the salsa version of it, so that is the easiest way, and it normally doesn't hurt too much. Anyway, that's the A sharp. Next chord is G. Okay, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is C. C is third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we have the chords now. Let's look into how to handle them with the strumming. So we have a 2-part strumming here, so we're gonna learn it with the first chord D. The first part of it will be just down, clap, okay? Like this. That's it, all right? Next part will be down, up, down, clap. That's part 2, like this. So you're gonna play down, up, down, clap. And that's it. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, clap, down, up, down, clap. Okay? And a couple rounds like this. Okay? Now we're ready for the song. I'm gonna start with the verse, and actually the pre-chorus as well is play exactly in the same way. So we're gonna play D, 2 string rounds, F, 2, the A sharp 2, and G 2. That is 1 chord progression round. In the first verse, you're gonna play it for 1 round, and the first pre-chorus for 1 round. So in total 2 rounds, you handle the both verse and pre-chorus. Let's go for 1 round like this. Okay, that is verse or pre-chorus, like I said, played in the exact same way. Now into the chorus that happens 55 seconds in the lyrics, so rip up the face, okay? Pretty dramatic, but now we're gonna use the C as well, and we're gonna see how to handle the strumming as well, because this is the reason, because we had 2 parts of it. Now we're gonna separate the chords in the strumming. So we're gonna start with A sharp, part 1, the down clap. Then you go into C, part 2, down, up, down, clap, and then D, 1 full round. That is the first half of this chord progression. The second half will happen with F, okay? So that is played first now, part 1, the down clap, and then you continue the same way with C, part 2, and D, 1 full round, and that will finish 1 chord progression round. So all that is 1 round. I can repeat: A sharp, part 1, C, part 2, and D, 1 full round. Then F, part 1, C, part 2, and D, 1 full round. You're going to play that for 2 rounds, and that will be the chorus. Let's go for 1 round together. Okay, that is 1 round. You play for 2, and that is the first chorus. Then we have the post-chorus parts. It happens about 2 minutes and 14 seconds in, where she sings na na na, and actually that comes after the second chorus. the first chorus, and then we go back into the second round, play the second verse in the same way, second pre-chorus and second chorus, and then comes the post-chorus part. What you're going to play there is to just continue the chorus play for another 2 rounds, okay? So no differences there at all. Then after that second post-chorus part, we have the bridge comes in at 2:33 seconds in. Catch me as I rebound. That is where we're on the lyrics. What you're going to play now is 1 round of the verse / pre-chorus play. So D, F, A sharp, and G. 1 round of that. And then we have the third and final chorus / outro. That is played with 6 rounds of that very same chorus chord progression. And with that, you have finished the song from Lady Gaga called Perfect Celebrity. A great song. 5 chords, not too many, and yeah, pretty easy. We have a couple of bar chords. It's good to practice them as well and mix them into some easy standard chords. So yeah, give this one a try. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.